Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something invigorating, cold showers. You might be thinking, cold showers? Really? But trust me, the benefits are worth every shiver. Stick around to learn the top 4 benefits of having a cold shower every day. First up, cold showers boost your circulation. When you expose your body to cold water, your blood vessels constrict, which forces blood to flow more efficiently. This can improve your overall cardiovascular health and leave you feeling more energized. Plus, it's a great way to wake up in the morning. Benefit number 2, cold showers enhance your mood and mental health. Cold water triggers the release of endorphins, the feel-good hormones. This can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, giving you a natural mood boost. It's like nature's own antidepressant. Next, cold showers can strengthen your immune system. Regular exposure to cold water has been shown to increase white blood cell counts, which are crucial for fighting off infections. So, a daily cold shower could help keep those colds and flus at bay. Lastly, let's talk about your skin and hair. Cold water helps tighten your pores and cuticles, which can reduce acne and make your hair look shinier and stronger. Unlike hot water, which can strip away natural oils, cold water helps your skin and hair retain their natural moisture. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and wellness videos. Thanks for watching, and stay refreshed!